Your Ring doorbell not ringing inside is likely due to Wi-Fi issues, incorrect chime settings, or do not disturb mode. We'll guide you through troubleshooting these common problems to get your doorbell working properly again. Ring uses your Wi-Fi to send notifications to your phone and trigger your indoor chime, so connectivity is key. A weak Wi-Fi signal is the most common reason your Ring doorbell won't ring inside. Let's check the connection. First, use the Ring app to check Wi-Fi strength at the doorbell location. Look for RSSI values below 60 is weak. If the signal is weak, move your router closer to the doorbell or add a Wi-Fi extender to improve coverage. Most Ring doorbells connect on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for better range, though newer models support 5 GHz for faster speeds. Walls, microwaves, and other devices can interfere with the signal. Position the doorbell away from these sources. Ensure your internet has at least 1 Mbps upload speed for reliable doorbell operation. Open the Ring app on your smartphone and navigate to your doorbell's settings page. In the settings, ensure the Ring chime feature is enabled for indoor notifications. Check that the correct chime type is selected, either mechanical for traditional wired chimes or digital for modern options. If using a Ring Chime or Chime Pro device, ensure it's properly paired with your doorbell in the app settings. This is where most user errors occur, so double-check these connections. Do Not Disturb mode silences both alerts and chimes on your Ring doorbell. This is a common reason why your doorbell might not ring inside. In the Ring app, navigate to Device Settings, then Do Not Disturb. Make sure the toggle is off, or adjust the schedule to allow chimes during the hours you want. Accidentally enabling DND is a frequent oversight that prevents notifications from reaching your phone. Your phone's Do Not Disturb settings can also silence Ring alerts. Check iPhone Focus or DND modes in Settings or Control Center to ensure they're not blocking notifications. If settings are correct but the chime still isn't working, try resetting your Ring doorbell. Locate the Reset button, usually on the side or bottom of the device. Hold the Reset button down for 20 to 30 seconds. After the reset, repair the doorbell with your Wi-Fi and Ring chime through the app. This can resolve software glitches. Ensure your Ring doorbell's firmware is up to date. Ring regularly releases updates that address connectivity and chime issues, helping to prevent problems like failed indoor ringing. The Ring app now includes a smart troubleshooter tool that guides users through fixes for common issues, integrating seamlessly with smart home devices. Firmware version 4.5 Plus, released in 2025 Q3, incorporates AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect and resolve issues like Wi-Fi instability, reducing user-reported problems by about 40%. If your Ring doorbell uses a wired chime, the issue might be with the physical connections. Let's check the wiring and chime mechanics. First, inspect the wiring connections at both the doorbell and the chime box. Ensure all wires are firmly attached to their terminals. Look for corrosion on the wire ends or terminals, which can interrupt the electrical connection. Clean any corrosion and ensure secure connections. If you have a mechanical chime, open the chime box and verify that the plunger moves freely when you press the doorbell button. Stuck or damaged plungers prevent the chime from working. Digital chimes require specific voltage levels. Use a multimeter to test your doorbell transformer's output and ensure it matches your Ring model's requirements. By checking these wired connections, you can often resolve chime issues without needing professional help. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, contact Ring support for specialized assistance. They can diagnose device-specific problems and provide tailored solutions. Additionally, explore Ring's community forums where users share successful workarounds and fixes for common problems. For older devices from before 2020, compatibility issues with modern routers may persist, requiring an upgrade to newer models.